This is session 5. In this session 5, I am going to solve exercise 1.2. Already you understood which are the properties, that is closure property, commutative property, associative property and additive identity of the integers. Okay. Now on that base only we are going to solve the exercise 1.2. Now the first question is, write down a pair of integers write down a pair of integers whose first one I do sum is minus 7. See, we have to write a pair of integers. Pair means two integers we have to write. How they are? Whose sum? Sum means addition. In between those both pair of integers, there must be plus sign, sum. How the sum must be? Sum is minus 7. Such two numbers or one pair of integers we have to write. See. What is that number? We see the first one is equal to. First, how they are? To any pair. Minus 3 will take. Their sum is minus 7. Minus 3 plus of minus 4. See now? Minus 3 plus into minus 4. Minus 3, minus 4, minus 7. Like this you have to choose the integers. Their sum must be minus 7. Okay. Then next one. B. Difference is minus 10. See. Difference is minus 10. Okay. What kind of numbers we have to choose here? A pair of difference is minus 10. Now we will take C. One number, okay, any number, plus, sorry, here difference they asked. So you should not take the plus, their difference is minus 10, minus 12. See now, 2 minus 12. If you want, you can put in the bracket. 2, a pair of integers. They didn't ask positive only, negative only. 2 is also an integer, 12 is also an integer. But their difference must be minus 10. Here see, 12 minus 2 is 10. Bigger number sign is minus. So like this number you have to choose for the correct answer. The next one is C. That is sum is 0. See, sum is 0. How to choose the number? See, take any one number. 5 plus sum. Sum means plus you have to take. Here what number you have to take to get the answer as 0? It's additive inverse. What is the additive inverse of 5? That is minus 5 plus minus 5 is 0. This is what you have to do. Then second main. See, this is first main over now. Second main. What is the second main? In that A. Write a pair of negative integers. Write a pair of negative integers. Write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. Whose difference gives 8. Okay, here see, write a pair of negative integers. Here both we have to take negative, and one more condition, whose difference gives 8. So how to take? See, here one negative integer and difference, here difference is there. here one negative integer, okay, here also one negative integer, and it must be 8. Now you have to write the suitable number. Here see, minus into minus plus, okay, and here one number. So minus into minus plus means here we can take 10. Minus into minus plus 10, here minus 2. Here because answer is in the positive. Here when we write this one, minus into minus plus 10, minus 2 is 8. Like that any number you can take. Not only these numbers, any other numbers also. Here see, whose difference. Here it has become difference. So this is difference means here we take minus. Sum means you have to take here plus. And these are the two negative. Why negative I have taken here? A pair of negative integers. So we have to take here negative. And here difference. So under this given condition only we have to take the integers. Then next B. Write a negative integer and a positive integer. Write a negative integer and a positive negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is minus 5. Whose sum is minus 5. See what is the condition here? Write a negative integer and a positive integer. See here one negative integer and positive integer whose sum here is addition, sum. Positive integer, here one positive integer, that is minus 5. See what kind of numbers we have to take here. We will write a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is minus 5. Very easy, you can take it. See minus 5 negative 10 plus 5 minus 10 plus 5 minus 5. Bigger number sign will come there. Finish. Like this any number you can take. You have to get the answer as minus 5. For example, minus 7 plus 2, minus 8 plus 3, minus 6 plus 1. Like this, any number you can take. So this is what the answer what I have got, that is minus 5. Then next comes, write a negative integer and a positive integer. Write a negative integer and a negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is minus 3. Whose difference is minus 3. See here. First, write a negative integer. Okay. First we will write here one negative integer and a positive integer whose difference, here one positive integer, difference is minus 3. See now, here one negative integer, positive integer, difference is minus 3. Now we can take here minus 1 and positive integer 2. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Very simple. Better you take simple numbers and it is easy for you to calculate. This is what method of solving the exercise. This type of problems or the sums will come in fill in the blanks in your exam. So keep it in the mind. Now the third main I am going to solve. Third main. You know already the first chapter PDF I have given in 2 days back one video in the PDF. So you can copy that third problem from that. I am going to solve the answer because question is very big. So up to here question only will come. I don't have the place here to solve the solution. So that's what directly I come to the solution. You copy the question from that PDF full first chapter PDF only I sent along with the exercise 1.1. Please copy that question. Now in a quiz, team A scored -40, 10, 0 and team B scored 10, 0, -40 in 3 successive rounds. There is a quiz in the school. Team A, team B are there. Team A scores are given. Team B scores are given. Which team scored more? Now we have to add and see. Then we can get the, can we say that we can add integers in any order? Yes, in any order we can add them. So the scores of team A. Solution. First we'll write solution. Scores of team A. Which are those? -40, 10, 0. Okay. Then sum of the scores. Sum of the scores of team A. What is that? -40 plus 10 plus 0. See, -40 plus 10. The answer is -30. 40. Here 1 plus 1 minus, we have to subtract, bigger number sign will come. -30. The same way now we will do for the team B. Scores of team B. What are the scores of team B? 10, 0, -40. -40. So sum of the scores of team B. Sum of the scores of team B is equal to 10 plus 0 plus 0 plus of -40 means 10 plus 0 minus 40. Same is also the same, -30 only. -40 plus 10 is -30 only. Which team scored more? Both the teams are equally scored. Team A and team B. Team A and team B scored equal marks. Equal marks. This is what the method of solving the problems. We just copy these questions. Next, the fourth main, that is fill in the blanks. The fourth main is fill in the blanks to make the following statements true. Fill in the blanks. So, first one, -5 plus of -8 is equal to -8 plus of dash. What we can write here? See, just observe. -5 plus of -8. Here -8 is there. Plus of what we have to write here? Yes, -5. Why? Because this is commutative property. Okay. So the next one is, this is -5. The same way, second one you can think and tell me. Second one, -53 plus 0 is equal to -53. Additive identity. What is that? Additive identity we are using here. Next, 17 plus here minus 17 will come. Why? Because the sum is 0. To make the sum 0, here we have to add the additive inverse of the given number. 17. Its additive inverse is minus 17. 17 minus 17 is 0. So like this you have to apply the properties and fill the blank. Then the next one is 13 plus minus 12 minus 12. Next plus here in the bracket dash, okay, is equal to 13 plus of in the bracket minus 12 plus minus 7. See here associative property and common sense is there. Here 13, here also 13 is there. Here minus 12, minus 12. Then what is remaining here? Only minus 7 is not there in the LHS. So better you can fill the blank with that minus 7. So by associative property, this is the use of associative property here in this fill in the blanks. Then the last one, that is fifth blank, is that is see minus 4 plus in the bracket 15 plus of minus 3 bracket complete, then is equal to minus 4 plus 15 plus dash, that is minus 3. Why minus 3 I wrote here? Minus 4 is here. 15, 15. This is associative property again. Minus 3 is missing here, associative property. So here minus 3 will come. So the use of associative property, we can apply the properties here in fill in the blanks. This is what exercise 1.2. Copy this and practice here. Homework I am going to give you. Homework, solve exercise 1.2, compulsory. Okay, this is what exercise 1.2. Thank you for watching. Share and subscribe my channel.